ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಯಶಸ್ವಿ ಕನ್ನಡ ವಾಣಿ ಯೂಟ್ಯೂಬ್ ಚಾನಲ್ಗೆ ಸ್ವಾಗತ. ವೆಲ್ಕಮ್ ಎವ್ರಿವನ್ ಟು ಯಶಸ್ವಿ ಕನ್ನಡ ವಾಣಿ ಯೂಟ್ಯೂಬ್ ಚಾನಲ್. This is a rhymes time. I hope you are all enjoying the rhymes and you are learning the words and sentences with the help of rhymes and it has been fun to you. So I'm sorry for the cracker sound in the background. Let's start today's rhymes. And for all the rhymes playlist, rhymes actually you can check out the playlist link. It is also mentioned in the description box. Also we have a story reading, short story and the long story. You can even look into that one. So we'll start today's rhymes. Today's rhymes is very simple there and it's very fun also. Okay. So first stanza has a sounding. Tum tum tum. 3 times. Tum tum tum. Tum tum tum. Tum 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 tum. So third time you will say 4 times. First line tum tum tum. Tum tum tum. Tum 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 tum. Tum tum tum. 3 3 4 3. Tum tum tum. Tum tum tum. Tum 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 tum. Okay, welcome to the next one. Kuriyamari bya. Kurimari andre the sheep, the baby sheep. How the baby sheep will do? So that is the sound. Kuriyamari bya. Muddu kuri bya. Muddu kuri, it's a very cute kuri. Muddu is a cute. Muddu kuri bya. Dari tappi kaadinalli koogitamma bya. Dari tappi, it has lost the way. So in the forest, Kadu is a forest. Kadinalli in the forest, the Kurimari has lost the way. And it is shouting, Koogitamma bya. Okay? Kuriyamari bya, muddu kuri bya, dari tappi kadinalli Koogitamma bya. In the Kadu there is a tiger. Okay? Tiger. Patte huli ham. Patte huli. Patte in that stripes. The huli has a stripes. Huli is a tiger. Patte huli ham, kuriya kandu ham. So how the huli will make a roar? Right? I'm sorry for the background noise. Patte huli ham, kuriya kandu ham, kuriya tinnalendu huli hari bantu ham. Kuriya tinnalu. So to eat the kuri, huli, it jumped and it attacked and it came near the kuri. Okay? Patte huli ham, kuriya kandu ham, kuriya tinnalendi huli hari bantu ham. We'll say it, okay? Tum tum tum, tum tum tum, tum 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 tum, tum tum tum. Muddu kuri, sorry. Kuriyamari bya, muddu kuri bya, dari tappi kaadinalli koogitamma bya. Patte huli ham, kuriya kandu ham, kuriya tinnalendi huli hari bantu ham. We'll repeat. Tum tum tum, tum tum tum, tum 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 tum. Kuriyamari bya, muddu kuri bya, dari tappi kaadinalli koogitamma bya. Patte huli ham, kuriya kandu ham, kuriya tinnalendi huli hari bantu ham. Very good. So make a video of this rhymes and do send it to me and make a note of the words that you have learned from these rhymes, which is very important, and share this video with your friends who are learning and who are wishing to learn the new rhymes in Kannada. So I'll meet you all with one more rhyme very soon anta ಹೇಳ್ತಾ. Thank you so much. Namaskara. ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು. From Yashaswi Kannada Vaani, there are many e-books that is being launched, even for children as well as adults. So for adults, the Spoken Kannada ebook part 1 is being launched and the link for this is mentioned in the description box. Please go check it out the description box and purchase the book. The one specialty thing of this book is in a colloquial version, and this is the one and only book and the first book which is available in the market which is in a colloquial version, just not in a written version. Make use of this book, along with also follow my Instagram page to get the Spoken Kannada lessons for the adults. I hope this will be very useful for you, and the book is in a very affordable price. And for the children, there are storybook level 1, level 2, vocabulary book, and the 10th book is been there. Please make use of these ebooks. Again, link for all these books is been mentioned in the description box. Please go check out the description box and make use of these books. These books will help your children to make the sentence structures in a proper way, improves their language fluency, improves their vocabulary in a language, and actually it will bring too much of interest to them in Kannada learning. So make use of these books for your children. And there are workshops which is available in the YouTube itself in a playlist named Workshop 1 and Workshop 2. If your child is really struggling with the basics like a Varnamala, Kagunita, Vattakshura, Arkavali, words, make use of these workshop. Link for these workshop is mentioned in the description box. Please make sure you will go to the description box and use all these links. Workshop is a free of cost. It is available in the YouTube itself, and all the ebooks it will be, you have to pay and use those books. There is a sample copy for everything. You can just look into the sample copy and you can purchase. Like ಮಾಡಿ, share ಮಾಡಿ, subscribe ಮಾಡಿ. So knowledge will gain only by sharing the knowledge. So children, if you have learned something, teach to your friends also, and this will help you in your gaining the knowledge. So thank you so much, and if you are not subscribed to the channel, subscribe ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. Click on the notification, so that click on the bell link so that you will get notified as and when I upload the videos. Thank you so much. I'll meet you all ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಧನ್ಯವಾದ.